Morning everybody, it's Saturday. I don't know what time it is. It's Saturday the 30th of January and it's about 12 o'clock I think. So I wasn't going to come down today because it's been chucking it down again. As you can see, it's wet. And it's even threatened us with snow. So but I thought, right, sod it, I'm bored, so I might as well come down. So I might drop the engine today. I think, and we'll see how it goes. So that's my plan, drop the engine. But first of all, I'm going to measure. I want to build an engine stand for it, so I'm going to sort of like measure the mountings and stuff like that. While the bike is on the floor, on the side stand, because I want the stand to be a certain height off the floor, i.e. the height that the engine is in the frame. Don't ask me why, because I've no idea, I forgot myself, but anyway, I had a crazy plan and I don't know what I'm doing now. So that's the first job, is to measure up for the stand. So I think I'll get the bike out now. I'll put it out here where you can see it a bit more clearly, and then we'll go from there. Back in a minute. Right, I've already made my first fucking schoolboy error. Because I took the water pump out, that big hole there, I put it on its side stand and oil started pissing out. Now luckily, I had a McDonald's the other day, so I've used that to soak it all up. And I've got an empty petrol can there full of old shitty oil now. So this is what I want to do. Oh, fuck's sake, man. So I want to make an engine stand now. Oops. God, look how bad that engine is. It's going to take some cleaning up, is that? Look at that. Full of shit, man, everywhere, isn't it? But anyway, so what I want to do is make an engine stand that will fit either one of them bolts, them mounting holes there, yeah, and the rear one. So I'm going to have a stand coming down, back, and then up, sort of thing, like that. Like a U, either on that one or that one. The reason being so I can get it on the worktop, and then the engine will be as it is sat in the frame, if you know what I mean. So I'll take some measurements and I'll fuck it, I'll just give it a go. And then I shall blast these with WD-40 and see if I can start loosening some mounting bolts. I'm hoping that I can take the engine out, take the front end off, shove the engine in the back of the car, slide the frame from the headstock back into the back of the car and put the front end in the back of the car. If I can do that, then I might be able to get into my shed on my own. But we'll have to wait and see. But that engine is filthy. There's loads of stuff to do on that. Look how dirty that is. I'll see if I can zoom in. It's just going out of focus a bit, but proper give manky. So I've got a lot of cleaning to do. So we'll give it a go, and I'll definitely be back in 2 minutes. One engine is out. So I forgot now where them bastards are on your own, but never mind. I don't know if I'm going to be able to lift it in the car though. What I might have to do is put the engine in there on a bucket or something, back the car up to there and then lift it in somehow. But anyway, the main job's done now, the engine's out, so what I need to do now is just figure out what I'm going to do. Right, so I'll be back with you in 2 minutes. Oh, my Thunderace has had a crash. Right, I've got the front end off, and surprise, surprise, well, it's still got the original round ball bearings in, so I'm going to replace that with a set of tapered ones. So obviously the front end comes off as one lump. So what I'm going to do now is try and get this lump into the back of the car. I've no idea if I'll be able to do it or not, but we will give it a go. Oh, it's looking like a sorry state now, isn't it? Poor bike. Poor bike. What I've done as well is I've put the engine bolts back in the engine, and obviously the ones in there at the bottom and that one there, so I don't lose them. And I've obviously put the top yokes back on with all the nuts and bolts, so we'll give it a minute and hopefully that should be in the back of the car. So one engine back in the unit on my little trolley thing, and nearest damn it, one Thunderace in the boot of the car. I've no idea where Dave's going to sit. I'm going to have to just throw them blankets down or something, you can sit down there or something like that. But anyway, so obviously I can't get that in, the engine in, and it's a bit too heavy on my own, so I'm going to have to bring my son down and let him give us an hand with it. And then I can get it on my little sack cart and get it up in the shed. But in the meantime I can take this chassis up, put the front end back in, park it in its spot where it's going to live for like 18 months, 2 years, well 12 months, 18 months, and then like I say, get the engine back up then. So I'm calling it a day for today. So this is another quick update. So as you can see, we're slowly getting there, and all he's wanted to do is throw his ball. So Dave, look right, look left. Oh. Look right, look left, left, right, right, left. Anyway, right. So I'll probably see you next Saturday. Bye. Oh, by the way, I planted me £20 apple tree, and Dave's bit it, the little shit. Guess what? Oh. Right, the bike, apart from the engine, is now in the shed. It's almost as though I'd built the shed to fit the bike in. But there she is. So that's where the bike's going to live now for the next year, 18 months, 2 years, whatever. And I'm going to get this wood turning lathe sorted. Got some new bolts for it today, so I'll get that working, and then I might stick it on eBay, or our lass said she might want to have a do at doing some wood turning. So what I might do is stick it outside somewhere, because that's where my engine's going to go. Well, actually, my little mini lathe is going to go there, so my engine will probably end up being stuck over there somewhere, or even on there, until I get round to do it. So lifting it is not a problem because I've got my little block and tackle. So that's it. So I'm knackered. Carrying that fucking lot of garden. Slippy garden as well. So that's it, guys. I'll see you next Saturday for real. Bye.